In this video, we are going to discuss about GCD of two numbers in Python. I am Basha, your friend. Welcome back to Code World YouTube channel Python Program to Practice for Beginners series. GCD of two numbers in Python. This type of questions asked in whether test or interviews to test your attitude as well as programming knowledge. We studied about this GCD in our school days, right? GCD stands for Greatest Common Divisor. It is also called HCF, Highest Common Factor. GCD of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor number that divides them exactly. Let me explain with example. See here. Now I'll take numbers. For example, 24 and 18. Now, the factors of 24 are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 8 and 12 and 24, right? And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Now, common divisors are 1, 2, 3 and 6, right? And the greatest common divisor GCD is highest of all these numbers. Highest is 6. So the GCD is 6. This is GCD. Now we are going to see GCD of two numbers in Python. The first and simplest method is by using inbuilt math module. In this math module we have GCD function. By using that, simply we can calculate the GCD. See here. First I'll import the math module. Import math. If you don't know about these modules, in our Code World YouTube channel, we already made a videos on modules. I give a link of that videos in description and above icon. So if you don't know, if you want to learn, go to them. Next I'll take a variable. A result is equal to math dot. In this GCD, the function name is GCD. And inside this, we'll take our numbers. For example, here in this example, we take 24 and 18, right? And we got GCD 6. So I'll take same here, 24 and 18. Now I put my result, print result. I run this code. See here, the GCD 6 is printed. This is first method, simplest method. For example, in test or interview, if the interviewer asks you, write GCD of two numbers program without using this math module, then you have to learn these next methods. So I'll show you GCD of two numbers in Python without using this math module. In this method, we are using a algorithm. The algorithm is called Euclidean algorithm. Euclidean is a mathematician who gave a simple algorithm to find GCD. Here, for example, we take two numbers. Number 1 is and number 2 is 18. In this method, we have to write our numbers in this format. A is equal to B into X plus R. R is a remainder. So A, B are our numbers. Here X is a number, some number. We have to write our numbers in this format. See here, now I write my numbers like this. So see here, 24 is equal to 18 into 1 plus 6, right? 18 1 is 18 and 18 plus 6 is 24, right? Now, next step, we have to omit this 24. We have to consider 18 in the place of 24. And we have to consider 6, this remainder, in place of 18. 6. We have to write these two numbers in this format. A is equal to B into X plus R. So 18 is equal to 6 into 3 plus 0. Okay, we have to continue this process until we get remainder 0. So in this example, we got 0 in second step. So our GCD is the value B. Now here the value B is 6. Our GCD. This is a bit confusing. So I'll explain this with another example. So now I'll take N1 as 36 and N2 as 20. See here, listen carefully. Now I'll write 36 is equal to 20 into 1 plus 16, right? The next step, we have to continue this process until we get the remainder 0. Now 20 is equal to 16 into 1 plus 4. In this example, in the second step, we got remainder 4. So we have to continue this process. Next step, 16 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 0. Now we got remainder 0. So our GCD is the value B. The value B in this step is 4. So 4. So GCD is 4. I hope now you understand clearly. Now we'll implement this Euclidean algorithm in our program. If you like my work, could you please take a moment to like this video and comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below, and subscribe to our Code World YouTube channel and turn on the notifications, because that will motivate me to make more videos like this. Now I am in my Sublime. I'll take a function df. My function name is GCD. I'll take two numbers n1 comma n2, and inside this function I'll take a while loop, while 2. So inside this while loop, see here, listen carefully. So here x is n1, right? So n1 is equal to 20 is n2. So n2 into some number x plus r. R means remainder. Remainder is, to get remainder we perform n1 modulus n2, right? And in next step, in place of n1 we have to take n2, and in place of n2 we have to take n1 modulus n2, right? So here in place of n1 we take n2, that's why we give 20, and in place of n2 we have to take n1 modulus n2, that is remainder 16. So we give 16 here. This is what we have to write inside this while loop by using the concept of swapping. Our darling Python gives simple method to swap. In other languages like C, Java, we have to take help of a temporary variable to swap two numbers. In our Python, we no need to take any temporary variable. Very simple. See here, n1 comma n2 is equal to n2 comma n1 modulus n2. That's it. Very simple, right? And we have to perform this until we get n2 is equal to 0, right? That is our reminder. So see here, if n2 is equal to 0, see here, we again perform this, then our b value become a, so 4 is equal to, and our remainder become b, so 0. So we have to perform this method until we get b is equal to 0, right? So I implement same here. If n2 is equal to 0, then our GCD is 4, that is a value, that is n1. In this example, I'll give simple prompt GCD, that's it. As soon as we find our GCD, we don't need to run this loop again, right? So I'll break this. Okay, that's it. Our code is ready. Now I'll call my function GCD with values 36, 20. I have my code. See here, GCD 4. If I give GCD of 24, 18, is our first example, right? I run it again. See here, GCD is 6. So this is using Euclidean algorithm. And here, I want to tell you one more thing. If you know about loops clearly, we can simplify this program. See here, in place of 2, we can give 1, right? If you give 0, this means false. Other than 0, if you give anything, you give 2 or 10 or anything, indicate 2, right? So here, without giving this if condition, I'll give condition inside this while. See here, while n2. So if n2 is 0, then this while become false, and I'll remove this. And now I write this print function outside the while. That's it. Now I run my code. Some more values, one more call, for example 5, 18. Now I run my code. See here, so GCD of 36 and 20 is 4, GCD of 24, 18 is 6, and GCD of 5 and 18 is 1. I hope you enjoy this video. Along with this GCD of two numbers in Python, we can expect LCM program also. LCM, the least common multiple. I already made a video on LCM. This is that video. go to this video. You will understand how to write Python program to find LCM of two numbers also. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.